Length measurement. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to measure length. The length measurement can be accessed via the length measurement from the Calculations menu on the left menu or through the length measurement from the Measurement Tools menu in the Quick menu at the bottom of the screen. When we click on the length measurement, a drawing is made on the map to measure the length. After drawing is complete, the length is displayed at the top of the screen. When we click on the menu on the right side of the panel above the screen, all the measurements we have made are listed. The drawing is shown on the map when we click on the Show button next to the measurements. When we click the Delete button, the measurement is deleted from the map and the table. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.